Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers out here at Rusty Cooper's house. Retired engineer from Burns McDonnell, fixing this pool. We got this all set up. We're gonna pour 2.5 feet of concrete in here today, which we'll videotape. Let it set up for a few days and come back later in the week and pour that final cap on it. When we do that, we'll pour this back for Rusty. Today, we're also going to encase our 3 piers under his outer garage wall. So, concrete. We'll be here at about 10:30. Beautiful Monday morning out here at Lakewood.
Yeah, that back one just sort of
You work hard your entire life to enjoy life later in your life to out here in a place like this. Wow, can't get no better than this. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Hey Rusty, tell everybody what you think of our crew and King Piers.
top notch, and I can't think of anybody better I'd rather have on it.
All right, Rusty, thank you. Jaime, everybody wants to know who Jaime's son is? Right there he is. It's my adopted son right there.